think the design is looking fine. There are different elements. It's very much similar to what I did, but with a little twist here. So I think you have covered a wide range of values, starting from black to darker. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are around 6 to 7 colors used, 6 to 7 different values of gray, which is good. The shapes here, you have variety of shapes from organic lines to rectangles, triangles and circles, and which is leading towards the focal point. You were able to capture the focal point correctly with the darkest color in contrast to the lightest, so there is a high contrast here, so good job on that. Now what else you could do to improve your drawing here? So I feel first you got into too many shapes. Like here, the division between like this and this shape, it's not very clear because the value is right next to the value, or it is very close. So for example, let's see these two shapes here, this rectangular, crop rectangular versus this. So there is a value separation, like there is a, which creates this sharp line, so that I can see, okay, this is one shape and this is second. Here certain shapes, I'm not sure if this is just a shape here, so I would suggest it's not the drawing part that is missing, it's the coloring part. You need to spend a little more time on coloring and try not to overdo it. I think there are certain sections which were repainted on top, so try not to do that. Also try to be very fine with your brush marks. I don't want broken lines. Take it slowly, give enough time. The consistency of the color looks good in your painting. I don't see I feel that the consistency is nice, it's not watery, thus creating an opaque view, but the edges, they need to be really fine, and the shape is to be filled in, one stroke. No strokes on on top of the base color. So the base color got dark and the border that you fixed later on was of lighter value. So that's why each shape has two values of similar color. For now this is okay. When you do the next design where we'll be doing a similar pattern but in color, try to keep these points in mind. Rest, I think it's a good design for the first week. Good homework.